First-class ways to immigrate to Portugal 2024. What's up, my friends? Welcome in Migrate to Europe. It's no longer accident that today I'm wearing inexperienced and red colors. Nicely, with modern-day episode, I'm starting a video collection devoted to immigration to Portugal. Because countrywide hues, green and purple, are not best in aesthetic detail of the USA's flag, but additionally replicate deep historic and cultural significance. In the coming months, we are able to find out the secrets of migration to this charming USA of Western Europe. Before we start, enroll in my channel and hit the notification bell to live updated with our. If you discover this content, please supply us a thumbs up. Migrating to Portugal may be a thrilling and profitable revel in, however it calls for careful making plans and know-how of immigration rules. Right here are a number of the quality ways to migrate to Portugal. Permits get began. D7 visa. Retirement and passive profits visa. The D7 visa is a popular desire for retirees or people with passive profit supply. To qualify, you typically need to demonstrate a stable supply of income that allows you to aid yourself in Portugal. This visa is valid for 12 months and can be renewed yearly. D8 Digital Nomad Visa. The D8 is a brand new visa Portugal released in fall 2022. It offers Portuguese residency for 1 or years, relying on which version of the visa you pursue. The D8 is aimed exclusively at virtual nomads who can earn their income from everywhere in the arena they need to be. The primary requirements to apply for the visa is to have a mean monthly earnings equal to 4 times the modern Portuguese minimal salary, that's about €3,600. D2 Visa, Entrepreneur Visa. If you plan to begin the commercial enterprise or spend money on Portugal, the D2 visa is an appropriate alternative. You will want to publish a business plan, show enough economic assets, and create jobs for Portuguese residents. To be eligible for the entrepreneur visa, you ought to show sufficient economic approach to fund your business venture and guide your non-public living expenses at some point of your stay in Portugal. Successful candidates can finally apply for everlasting residency. Golden Visa Software. The Golden Visa program is designed for non-European Union nationals for invest in Portugal. Alternatives include real property investments, activity creation, and capital transfers. After 5 years of protecting the Golden Visa, you can apply for everlasting residency. Alas, from year to 12 months due to the very attractiveness of the Golden Visa application. The authorities of Portugal introduces and imposes regulations. Therefore, it is really worth following cutting-edge modifications. Family reunification. When you have on-the-spot family members who are Portuguese residents or prison residents, you will be eligible for own family reunification. To be eligible, you have to have an authentic circle of relatives, courting with a Portuguese citizen or prison resident. Instant circle of relatives participants commonly include spouses, kids, and established mother and father. Evidence of the family relationships consisting of marriage certificates or start certificates might be required. Pupil visa. If you plan to have a look at in Portugal, you may follow for a pupil visa. To use for a scholar visa, you want an acceptance letter from a Portuguese instructional organization confirming your enrollment in an educational application. Humans show that you have sufficient monetary approach to cover your tuition costs, residing expenses, and medical insurance, even as in Portugal. Student visa. In case you at ease a task provide in Portugal, your agency can help you in obtaining an employment visa. Non-European nationals who need to work in Portugal should practice for a Portugal paintings visa. To be eligible for a Portuguese work visa, you ought to have an activity provide from an agency in Portugal, then your enterprise have to practice for a piece allow for your behalf. Employment visas are usually tied to a particular process positions and might need to be renewed if you convert your employment expertise and exceedingly certified expert applications. Portugal gives special visa applications to draw proficient and tremendously professional specialists, consisting of researchers, scientists, and professionals. Those packages may offer streamlined visa strategies and favorable conditions. The tech visa application is designed to draw tech specialists, which include software program developers, fact scientists, and other IT experts to Portugal. The startup visa application is customized for marketers and founders of progressive startups. Long-term residence EW permit if you have lived legally in Portugal for 5 years, and their various residency visas, which include paintings visa for example. You may be eligible to apply for a protracted term house EW permit, which could cause permanent residency. This serves as a sizable milestone to your course closer to organizing an extra permanent reputation in Portugal. For those seeking to grow to be Portuguese residents, holding an extended time period house EW is a good-sized step. After 6 years of felony residence in Portugal, you may end up eligible to use for Portuguese citizenship. Supplied you meet extra criteria together with demonstrating proficiency in Portuguese language and passing a citizenship exam. Crucial are searching for criminal assistance. Navigating immigration procedures can be complex, so in search of prison help from an immigration attorney or consultant can be useful. They let you understand the requirements, collect the essential documentation, and guide you through the software process. Essential research Portuguese. While now not continually a strict requirement, understanding the Portuguese language can be advantageous for integration and securing employment in Portugal. Don't forget taking language course to enhance your conversation abilities. Remember that immigration rules and requirements can alternate, so it is vital to live up to date on the contemporary regulation with the aid of consulting the professional website of the Portuguese Immigration and Border Provider, and searching for guidance from the closest Portuguese consulate or embassy in your property United States of America. Each immigration direction may additionally have particular criteria and documentation, so tailor your application in keeping with your selected path. If you assume that Portugal is your dream region to live, look at, paintings, or invest, contact our group and we will choose and advocate you which immigration option is the high quality suiting your needs. Your adventure in Portugal isn't always pretty much relocation, it is approximately a brand new chapter in life, packed with opportunities, growth, and the splendor of Portuguese reviews. So whether or not you are taking walks through ancient streets or basking inside the sun along the Algarve coast, Portugal is ready to embody you and make you feel a domestic. Which of these immigration pathways aligns most intently along with your aspirations, and what attracts you to that precise preference? Do you have got any unique questions or concerns approximately migration tactics to Portugal? Experience unfastened to invite within the feedback, and we can do our pleasant to assist. Thank you for looking, and stay tuned for extra motion pictures related to immigration to Portugal. Thanks for watching and hope to look you subsequent time soon.